Give us the information. Funds allocated to pay for info on child murderers, molesters, and traffickers. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Lorraine Samuels. Also this evening, inadequate. Police slammed for responses in missing cases.
Ban to come. Agriculture Minister wants to halt importation of some dogs.
Response. Health Minister moves to solve bed shortage at Savlamar Hospital.
Relentless. Residents in St. Andrew community call for roads to be fixed quicker.
And in business news, gone. PSOJ CEO quits months into the job.
There's also sports commentary, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what more can be done to help protect our children from criminals?
Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.